Hello everyone and welcome to my video about the marvelous city of Cagliari. Today I will talk about how to visit this fascinating destination when arriving by cruise. Did you know that visiting Cagliari from a cruise ship is incredibly convenient? The port is right next to the city, allowing you to disembark and begin your exploration on foot, without the need for expensive, organized excursions. It's a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the culture and beauty of this city independently. But how should you proceed to visit Cagliari on foot? Here are some helpful tips. First and foremost, I recommend heading towards the historic center, which is a true treasure trove of history and atmosphere. From here, you can start your walk through the charming streets, uncovering the secrets of Cagliari step by step. An unmissable stop is the Cathedral of Santa Maria, located in the heart of the city. This magnificent building will leave you speechless with its imposing Gothic facade and architectural details that tell the story of centuries past. Inside, you can admire beautiful frescoes and artworks that testify to the cultural richness of Cagliari. Continuing your stroll, I suggest making your way to the Bastion of St. Remy, an impressive fortified structure that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the surrounding sea. Climb up to its belvedere to admire the vista and capture unforgettable photos. You'll find yourself immersed in a unique atmosphere, surrounded by historic architecture and a refreshing sea breeze. Next, you can explore the picturesque neighborhoods of Cagliari, such as Castello and Stampace. Lose yourself in the narrow streets and characteristic alleyways, discovering local boutiques, cozy cafes, and authentic restaurants where you can savor delicious Sardinian cuisine. Don't forget to try the famous traditional sweets like fregula and amaretti. One final tip. Remember to wear comfortable shoes and bring a water bottle with you, as exploring Cagliari on foot will require some physical effort, but it will undoubtedly be worth it. These are just a few of the wonders you can discover when visiting Cagliari from a cruise ship. The city has so much more to offer, and I'm sure you'll be captivated by its unique history, culture, and beauty. I hope this brief itinerary has been helpful, and I wish you a fantastic experience in Cagliari. Thank you for joining me, and see you soon.